Okay, so kind of want to use, I want to do like a purple one. Like I want to use this purple glitter. So I'm gonna try to see what colors can I use to do it. So I'm just gonna grab this palette. I'm gonna go in with my favorite Morphe brush, which is the E27, and this one's like really fluffy and stuff, so it blends it very nicely and fast too. So I'm gonna go with or whatever color shade. I think period would do it. Okay, so I did apply that on the upper crease, and for that I used the Morphe 573, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna use this NYX birthday palette that I got like a while back. So it's kind of like, you know, it went through some stuff. But I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. I think I'm gonna use the M139, see how that works out for me. Going to use this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna go in soft with it just to see what kind, if I should build it up or not, or keep it like smooth, because after that I want to put in this glitter over it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use the NYX glue and apply it with this brush. Glitter is alive. So pretty. So I basically applied the glue on my lid. Going with this shade. It's not black. It's purple. Like you could barely see it, but it's purple. It's like a dark purple. And I'm just gonna do that on the end right here to kind of give it like a little bit of a smoky effect. And I'm just gonna go in like softly too, because it's a dark shade. So yeah, that's it for the eye look. Now I'm just gonna clean it all up, put on my foundation and everything else that I put on, and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the final look. I put on regular lashes, something simple, not too dramatic, because I want my glitter to show, you know, for New Year's and everything. And this lip shade that I'm using, it's from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this shades come in the volume 2 bundle. And the brown one I believe is top shelf, and the nude one is I'm nude, I believe. And yeah, but either way, if you don't have these, that's fine. You could just use like a regular brown shade color lip and like a nude over it, and you'll be just fine. These are nice, but like gloss could look good as well. I was thinking of doing that, but since today I don't want to wear gloss, I'm not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up And if you guys want to check out my Jeffree Star first impressions on the volume 2 bundle, it's right on my channel, so go ahead and check it out if you guys want to. So yeah, this look, you can use it for New Year's or any other day, doesn't really matter. It's actually like a nice go-to, or even like to go out at night, you know, like clubbing or something, you know. It's still good. Even prom, you know, like prom is coming like in a few months, so this could work out too. Or like I said, just like a maybe like a go out dinner with your man or whatever, friends, go out night. And you guys do, like, if you guys want to comment on my video, go ahead, feel free. And if there's any looks that you guys want me to try to do, please tell me. Comment down below on my video and stay tuned to it. Bye. Thank you for watching.